Hello YouTube. Well, today I'm going to show you how to assemble this machine, how to put it back together when you remove the bin assembly, how to put it back together. So let me just show you here. So you raise it up and you push it, you pull it all the way up, and then this comes off. Okay, so I want you to, if this comes off, so the way you do it, it's already off, and if you're having a hard time putting it back together, you could remove this one. It'll be a lot easier. You press this one. You see this one right here? Let me see. That red clip right there, and just remove it from the main vacuum motor. Okay, so now you only have this one here. So now you slide this over here. Okay, you see that? And just make sure you can see it. So I have it right there. Just like that. Okay? And then you can leave that open, the bottom door. And now you slide this one just right in there. And just go all the way down. And then then the last step would be just to close that bottom lid. That's it. Okay? Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. We'll be uploading more videos.